customers said that they didn't ever see our factory yet. So today, follow my camera. I will show how our printers made. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's firstly see our machine body here. So it's one solid unit. It's a very strong machine. Let's see how thick this area is, and also here, you just give them, have a look, follow the cameras, see how strong those are. Okay, there is also one task for you that all those machines we have sold. So follow our camera that how many units we already made. Okay, so follow us. Those areas, the first step for laying the machine. See this making the screws on the printers. This machine almost finished. We need testing the machines before we handing to you. I will, they are because they are not very easy, so I think we see another one then. First is this area, because we all know that the print head area is the most expensive one for the customers. So this is where the print head locations give them that thing. This is a very perfect one solid unit area. You just, this area is how to say, fitness to the print head. Just when you install the head, you don't need the technicals to make the screws here, there, adjust a lot of long time, especially when you have 100 pieces head. So what are you gonna do? But ours is very easy. You just put the print head and it click. Okay. And where I'm gonna show you? Okay, here. Let's see here. The belt, Hasiba belt. That trans biggest, and inside there is tubing, right? And the cables is all imported from Germany. And where we gonna to show you here, this area is I cannot holding them out. This area is flashing the belt. This area, maybe you know better than me. This is parking deck. And here is place you gonna say, wow. I love it. I have to say that we're using the motors, the brand, imported brand, Panasonic, and we giving everywhere a remarks that which signal connected to where easily. So the maintenance is quite easy for the technicals. Definitely Germany style, I think. And this is the back side. So those machines, I don't know how many units now, but all the machines already sold to the customer. We all know that the minute handing to you is just the service begins. So those machines we just saw is without the machine cover, and those we have machines that are special made for some customers. They are using the covers because they think the cover is more better image for them. And also, let's back to the made 17 pages testing. I don't know if Ross and Rachel, they know that have 17 pages, what's gonna happen. So 17 pages, we needed to check every details of the machine, if the belt, everything is in the right places. We have to check every details before we hand the machine to you. So our production mode, 2 passes should be around 200 square meters per hour. So after the testing, we will see the printers. Those two in front, they are already tested well, and we'll hand it to our customers. Actually, we have sold the machine. We're gonna have an exhibition in Pakistan, and we have an exhibition in Vietnam. So the machines maybe we'll hand it to the exhibition. So that's all, I think. Welcome to us. We are waiting you. See you.